On today's menu, I'm going to walk you through how to make this delectable potato and herb quiche topped with crisp bacon and grated Manchego cheese that is as simple as it gets and elegant to boot. Ingredients are in my description box as always. Now let's get into the kitchen. First up on the list is the potato base for the quiche, and here I'm using a Japanese vegetable turner to achieve thin strands that will interlace and create a shell on the bottom. Fry up the cut potatoes in a cast iron pan with a good amount of butter and season with salt and pepper. Make an indentation in the middle and gently work the sides up to create a well for the eggs later on. Once the bottom and edges start to become a golden brown, remove it from the stove top and bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's baking in the oven, I'm going to render off some thick sliced bacon that I cut up into smaller pieces. Cook these in the pan until most of the fat has rendered off and the bacon is now slightly chewy with crispy edges. Drain on a paper towel and reserve until later. At this point in the recipe, the potatoes should be ready to go, so pull those out of the oven and allow them to cool on the counter for 5 to 10 minutes. Now for the quiche base, I had the pleasure of using these heirloom blue eggs from Utopian Farms that are just an absolute joy to work with. As you can see, they're brought up on pasture and live in mobile coops, which allow the chicken to naturally forage in the land whilst being protected from the elements. Link will be in the description box if you want to check them out, and I 100% recommend that you do. Nonetheless, crack the eggs into the mixing bowl, add in the cream, then you're going to season this with salt and cracked black pepper. Then slice up some chives and parsley and add that to the eggs as well. Give this a good mix until fully combined, then pour it into the potato shell and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, just until the eggs are set and no more. When the quiche is ready to rock, pull it from the oven, allow it to cool on the countertop for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you're just going to slice it up and serve with some grated Gruyere or Manchego cheese like I have here, topped with crispy bacon and a final flurry of chives. This is basically an all-American breakfast embedded within a very elegant and put-together quiche presentation. The fillings can be easily swapped and customized to your liking, which is always on the plus side, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this different take on quiche. Make sure to drop a comment letting me know your thoughts on the recipe. Check out Utopian Farms and their unique heirloom blue eggs to amp up your breakfast menus. Link will be in my description box as always, along with ingredients. Until next time, stay creative in the kitchen. Later, folks.